This video is brought to you by Sailrite. Visit sailrite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions. In this video, we'll show you how to reload your Micro Basting tacking gun and replace the needle. After running out of fasteners, we'll remove the remaining plastic from the gun. To reload the gun, first pull the release lever and push the fastener guide forward over the needle. Next, we'll take the new row of tacks and push them into the slot on top of the basting gun, as you can see here. The tacks will not easily come out. Then pull the release lever and put the fastener guide back into place, and you're ready to tack once again. If you need to remove the tacks from the gun for any reason, press the button on the side of the gun and pull the tacks upward. To remove the needle, turn the switch so that it faces forward in the same direction as the needle. Then, pull the needle straight out using a pair of pliers. To install the new needle, face the groove and circular divot face up. You'll also need to be sure the switch is still facing forward. Then, push the needle in and flip the switch downward, and your needle is installed. If you have questions, feel free to call or send us an email. We're glad to help.